What's up, guys? Just checking back in quarantine here. We're in lockdown until April 30th now. President just came out and said that we're shutting down the whole world pretty much, and that's pretty crazy. And then I just got a message that says, well, I guess I can't read you the message on my phone here, but gosh, what a boring video. It's just like, it's so peaceful out here. Thought I'd have a little fire and stay warm. Help spring come in a little bit better. Get rid of some of those dead thoughts, those old philosophies that no longer serve me. There's a lot of important stuff coming up, entering a special time in the Earth's history and humanity. And I just want to be ready for it. I want to be clear-headed, focused, deliberate, be looking at where I'm going and projecting in the right spots with a clear vision. You know, that's the only way to do it, is to have a clear vision. And I'm trying not to hold on to any one particular vision right now. I'm sort of just letting energy flow through me and doing what comes to me by the minute, by the second, by the day. I like to make a decision based upon the most up-to-date information. So there's so much stuff coming down the pipeline right now that it's hard to make a decision on anything. And so what I'm doing now is I'm just meditating a little bit more and taking some time to let my thoughts go, watch the ideas that run through my mind, and just observe them and ask why. There's a lot of questions right now. I'd like to say I had some answers, but you know, I look around and there's so many intelligent people, and get in the habit of saying, well, why me? What's my message? What makes me special at all? And you know, I don't have an answer for that. All I know is that I'm just doing what I'm doing. It's another day on Earth, and this is where I belong, right here with my fire and the river, the geese in the background, the sky all around me, looking for the future, just peaceful in the present. I wish all you guys a bunch of love and happiness and joy. I know it's very difficult for a lot of people right now in these times. I'm very blessed to have this space that I can clear my mind, and I really want for nothing. But I know that there are people around the world who are suffering. I get messages from Africa and Italy, and you know, running out of money, running out of food in Africa. They have to feed their families, you know, and we're here in America, and our whole entire workforce is shut down pretty much, like essential jobs only, and it's gonna take a toll on our society. And now we have to wait a whole nother month to see what happens. And this is really gonna test our spirit and our strength, and we're gonna have to look deep within and you know, just pray and bring as much light to the table as we possibly can. Like I said, you know, focus and persistence and structure and all these things. And this is my 4th video in a row now, every single day. So it might not be perfect yet, and I'm still working on it, but at least, you know, it's taking form, it's taking shape, and that's the most important thing. We'll see where we're at in the next month. Zulu pups come back to me, so we're a happy family. I'll check with you guys on the flip side, and subscribe to this channel if you're enjoying what you see.